Smart way to remove logo background. Unlock the layer, select your Magic Wand tools, set your tolerance. I'm using 50, you can use anywhere depending on the work you have. You're going to carefully select the background as you are seeing. This tutorial is titled Smart way to remove logo background in Photoshop. Now you're going to add to selection by using that lasso tool. Carefully add to selection as you are seeing. I'm going to carefully add the selected part as you can see. Now when you are done adding to selection and the background is properly selected, you are going to invert by pressing Ctrl+Shift+I to invert. And you're going to add mask. As you can see, we have removed the background, but you can see this red halos. So if you place this thing under any background now, let's say white, you're going to see that red line, that halos is there. It's not looking so cool, so we are going to take care of that. We're going to press Ctrl and select the mask. I'm going to go to modify, contrast, set your contrast. I'm setting mine to 9 depending on what you are working on. Click OK. I'm going to invert by pressing Ctrl+Shift+I. Now after you are done, you are going to press alternate and hit the backspace on your keyboard. So you can see now the red halos is gone. So if I should place this thing under any background, and let's say this white background, you can see the red lines initially, they are no more there. So that is the smart way to remove logo background. Kindly support us by sharing this video and also subscribe.